Is your Vauxhall Opel Zafira alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, especially in B, 1999 to 2005, C, 2005 to 2014, and Tourer, 2012 to 2019 models. The two most likely culprits are the door latch microswitch and the interior sensor. Let's tackle the microswitch first. It's a small electrical switch in each door latch. When it fails due to corrosion or wear, the car thinks the door is open, triggering the alarm. You can test it with a multimeter for continuity. A broken circuit means a faulty switch. Replacements are typically around $15. Part number 241454 is a common one. Next, the interior sensor, ultrasonic or PIR, detects motion inside the car. Pets, temperature changes, or electrical interference can cause false positives. Try adjusting the sensitivity if possible, or temporarily disable it to see if the problem goes away. The newer all-electric Zafira E models are less prone to these issues due to updated electronics. Always make sure to protect electricals from water or weather to avoid corrosion. Before attempting repairs, try a simple alarm reset. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear temporary errors. For newer Zafira models, reset via the Vauxhall app or My Opel app for the Zafira E. If resets don't work, use an OBD2 tool to read and clear error codes, or visit a diagnostic service. Software updates via app or dealership can remotely reset or recalibrate alarms, reducing false triggers. Future trends include app-based alarm management for Zafira E, cost-effective aftermarket parts for older models, or upgrading to a newer Zafira E for reliability. Perform regular checks to prevent ECU damage. For professional help, mechanics charge $150 to $300 and always service professionally to avoid voiding warranties.